We're gonna enter through the gate. As you can see, the lockable gate. And you can close and safely leave your property as you leave. It's not the most sunny day, but it's a beautiful day. And then we enter into the path of the property. You can see boundaries are a bit behind here. And that is the path. And on my right side we have native woodland. We got some cork here. We got some oak. We got some madroños, strawberry trees. There is a few eucalyptus that are left there for company, but they're all being afflicted. They don't look like bushes anymore, they look like trees. All the bark been taken so the tree can grow and produce a mini woodland. Let's have a look at the borehole. Some pines, as you can see. Some very beautiful, super mature oaks. And this is the borehole. And this is the pump house. It's a generator. And the water gets stored here and then it's sent everywhere. Here originally there was a pond, a well. And the owner had the intention to turn it into a pond and excavate it because the well collapsed. But yeah, there is a potential to carry on excavating and create here a beautiful natural pond surrounded by nature. All the land is completely irrigated and piped. So you just have to turn on the pump and start pumping. And then we go back to the main road now. Carry on the path. You can see more strawberry trees, more corks. Beautiful cork over there, huge one. And this here we have a double garage. Quite big. We have a look inside later on, and we continue to the house. More rainwater collection, because why not? Here we have a bit of a patch of mimosa that is well maintained, so the trees don't get these shoots coming that are constantly be used as a self-sufficient source of firewood, so you don't have to chop the oaks. So as you can see, it's all quite looked after, and it creates these really nice areas here of shadow. During the summer, shadow is really important. There's a little paulonia tree here that decided it's not giving up. Good luck, little one. So we can see around. Beautiful area. And this is the most interesting. This is the garden. Very beautiful garden, full of a lot of fertile trees. There's another paulonia. They grow really quickly. Here is a little patch of oaks. This one, I'm not sure what they are. Ah, yes, they are persimmons. We got them here. Already some fruit. Most of them, I mean, the winter. No, they are plums, sorry, not persimmon. It's not this time of the year for persimmon. It's big plums here growing. So all of these are plums. More paulonias. As you can see, follow the line. All the trees has irrigation. So during the summer, it's just opening the tap and that's it. No need to water every single tree. Pomegranates. There's like 4 in this line. There's one over there. And this is a huge paulonia tree. Look at this tree. It's only like a couple of years old and already really beautiful, mature, giving shadow. It's good for the bees. You can make an amazing tea out of the flowers. More lomquats, Prazeres. Yum yum. And here we got the cherry orchard. The birds have been taking most of the cherries, but I'm sure we can find some. Cherries. Here we got some cherries that the birds hasn't found yet. This one is not for the yum yum. Sorry, bird. The property, you have a few olives, not too many to be overwhelming. And look at this fantastic rocky area. And let's have a look in my favorite part. I want to have a lemon orchard as well. It's incredible. This is some foxglove. They could be a bit toxic, but they are so good for the heart. Bottle bash. Some queens, ready for mating for the winter. There we go, the lemon grove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trees. Beautiful lemons. All of these are less than 10 years old. They've been planted, nurtured, and loved. Look at those lemons here. Obviously, their irrigation system helps a lot. But yeah, more of these queens. And then in the boundaries, we had these big pineros mansos, which are native to Portugal. Yeah, if I could settle for something, it will be my own orange orchard. Some fig trees, as you can see. They are coming. It's not yet fig season, but we can see them coming here. And there is quite a lot of figs also scattered around the property. There's another fig already producing. Some really nice rosemary bushes. Now let's approach and see the house. In the meantime, we will meet with more fig trees. Why not? And some more olive trees. Look how well kept the land is. The olives don't have irrigation because they don't need it. They're usually quite well established already. They look like another plum. And over there we see more figs, more rosemaries, and ash. It's good to have ash. Most beautiful rockery. Let's have a look at the house. The house has been fenced. I like to say it's more or less classes with the urban article for so people know. Not necessarily like this. The fencing, the urban article goes around the house. But yeah, so people understand. The rest of the land is divided in two urban articles. One is 2 hectares and the other is 600 square meters. Okay, here we had the bathroom, sort of like a wet room. It has this a flushable toilet here, a bidet, very useful if you know how to use them, and a hot water system. Some windows, space for ventilation, and under here we got the bottom of the garden. Look. There is some catnips, I think. Don't know what it is, but it smells lovely, and the bees are loving it as well. Hi, little one. And look at these strong granite pillars for the balcony. The structure is made in metal, and inside we have solar system. over there, which is a serious system. The batteries, inverter, fuse box, it's all done professionally. During the winter, you don't have to worry because it's usually not powered. Here we have a fantastic bougainvillea, and then have a look at the house. The house sits in an urban article of 415 square meters and is divided into a open room kitchen, living room, dormitory, but there is this annex with air condition for the summer night when it's impossible to sleep. The bed is here, so it's quite pleasant. It's incredible views from the balcony. Quite undisturbed. This is a house, solar system. Let's have a look inside the building now. I like the attention to details of this property. Can I come in? Okay, let's come in. Sorry a bit about the mess, but the property is living. We've got a fireplace, small, but it's enough to heat this room. And you will never run out of firewood with the mimosa woodland. As you can see, we've got a big fridge, cooker, some shelves. And there is a wooden window here with mosquito nets. So you can have it open during the summer, enjoy these views, and don't have the flies and the mosquitoes bothering you. So... here we have the solar system. We walk around the garden. This is a beautiful South African flower that make that incredible pinky effect that you probably see in the photos. More medronios, oleanders. There's a hedge planted of oleanders in combination. Some are white, some are pink. You can see we still have a bit of the pinky effect in the South African flowers. If anyone knows the name, please write it in the comments. I would really like to know how are they and how to look after them. This is more of the Portuguese flower. Continue. There is some more water reserve here. That was useful for irrigation. While we arrive to the garage, I have one of the cherries of the property and I'm gonna eat it as well. Boundaries are more or less behind these pines on the north. See, no more cherry. This is the garage, and you can see garage workshop, quite a big space to store things. Sorry about the mess, like always, but so you can see the possibilities.